All right, let's see what we got today. Oh, we got a lot of water here. 2 Taco pumps. Pretty bad shape. I need to repipe this. Change out the housing, bearing assembly. Motor's probably still good. And this bearing assembly is leaking. Probably keep the housing. Probably wire brush that off. I'll take the insulation off the pipe and inspect it. Looks like we'll be doing a little bit of work here. We're repiping these circulator circuits here. As you can see, they're all rusted out. Changing the whole pumps out to new cartridge style pumps. And gotta isolate supply. Isolate the supply. Unfortunately, there's no shut off on the return side, which is this pipe here. Goes up. Here's the return manifold. There is a butterfly valve there, and there's another right over here. But still, it's okay for this one circuit. But if we follow these pipes to the other circuit, which is this one, there's the return pipe. The supply we can shut off, so that part of it's isolated. But if we follow the return, we go all the way up. It bypasses. It goes straight up and out. So it's gonna take a little while to drain, and see how it goes. All right, so we're draining. Can't forget to shut the boiler switches off. We're draining one circuit here. Luckily we have a floor drain. Right. So I'm draining here. I said supply is isolated. Both valves are shut. There's one there. One there. And just line it up. So there's all the material. And all our fittings, hand tools, and don't forget your piping gloves. Alright, now that that's done draining, next is we have to take apart the flange. This is all going. We're getting rid of the whole pump. Same thing over there. Could probably save this nipple. We're gonna have to put new flanges in. It's gonna be a different height. It's a smaller pump. Same output. We'll probably save this 90. We'll save that. I recently did that about a year ago. And get rid of the rest. New ball valves. These are cast iron. Instead of undoing these, a lot of times I'll just smash it with a sledgehammer. Make it easy to come off, and hopefully the threads on this nipple are good. And everything past that, we're gonna replace. First things first, we gotta unwire these motors. Simple 120 volt motor. Cube relay, it's a rib relay, it's a building automated system. That's what brings the pumps on and off. But first we'll undo these, and that's the first step before we remove the assemblies. just for safe practice, you should tape off or wire nut. Protect, cover these wires so you prevent any electrical shock, even though the switch is off. But that's just safe practice. All right, smashed that 90, cracked it. This looks good. All right, all set, wired up. Nice and clean. All up and running.